Now we're going to look at item lookup in the POS. So let's log on and open the Arius POS. Here we have a button called item lookup. Let's get familiar with it and use it. Select the button, and here we are. You will see that we have an input field, and then we have this list of items and the operations. And you will notice that the number is active. So now if you enter 50,000, you will find item 50,000, the briefcase. Use reset and you're ready for a new lookup. But if you would like to look up by description rather than number, you select the description and you see it's now active. And if you now enter the word bag and enter, you will find all items with bag in the text. This is how simple it is. And you may think, why is the number active and not the search description? That's something we can change in the setup depending on what the retailer wants. But we would also like to do something different. Let's reset first. We would like to use the inventory option. The inventory option, it has the possibility to show you an item, how many items there exist in different stores. Depending on the setup, we can decide which group of stores we are looking into. But before we do this operation, we need to do something in back office only once. So now let's go to back office. And here in back office, we're going to open the retail product group. Remember, each and every item is in the retail product group. And if you think about the bags and things like that, they are in retail product group assets that belongs to clothing. So let's start to look at that one. Linda bag is this one. And we edit. And here we have an operation in process that is called update POS inventory lookup. This is something you need to do once per retail product group. And in demo data, it doesn't take a long time. It may take a long time in huge retailers which have lots of transactions. But we're not really going to do this for each and every retail product group. There is a simpler way. So let's go back. And the simpler way is to open something called schedule jobs. These are scheduled jobs in Business Central. And we have here a scheduled job that is called in lookup. Let's select that one and open the card and run it now. This will do the same thing we did for one group. It will do it for all groups. And this is something you need to do only once in each and every setup. It does not take that much time, so we can wait. But remember, it's going through all the different retail product groups we have in the solution. And now it's done. We press OK. And now let's go back to the POS. And here we are. So we would like to know how many gloves of the blue gloves are in the stores. We have a customer who's interested in this item and they want to know if it exists in another store. So we key in gloves, we find the blue gloves, we select it, and then we use this operation here, inventory. And now you will see that this item number, which is the blue gloves Linda, exists in these different locations of different stores. And now we see that this item, the blue gloves Linda, exists in different stores where we have the inventory. And perhaps some of them are on purchase order. And this is showing us the group of stores that is decided that is valid for the store. And you will see this item exists in store 1, 3, and 4, and even 13, the web store. And when we have looked at it, we are happy and we close. And cancel. This is how simple it is to use the item lookup.